got 4 rounds left here. We're gonna shoot 200 yards. That's that white target down there. See if we can, what we can hit here. We got iron sights, no scope, AR15. Let me see, I'm gonna have to make some adjustments here. I'm just shooting at 100, so. I'm going 6.3 minus 1. We'll take 2 shots. Check the target. Alright. Get my headphones in. Let's go see what we got. I was aiming center mass. I already shot this target a few times at the head, so there are some holes in the head on this target, but the body was clean. So I went 6.3 minus 2 on the rear elevation, which is 8.3 minus 2, should be 200 yards on a M16. So I should have went really 6.3 minus 4, but I'm not zeroed in like you would on an M16. I'm more or less zeroed in at 100, so I can bring that sight down to 50 yards if I want to. All right, here they are. I believe it's these two, that one and that one. So we were aiming pretty much center of the target, so because all I could see, I can't see the guy on the picture. So center of the target. So we're pretty close there, a little high on that one. Center of the target's about right there, so pretty close for 200 yards.